It is Sunday morning, and I'm about to give y'all a behind the scenes of me doing a Sunday reset. I have my Sony a7 III right here. Most people think I got like a super high-end camera. I don't. This is a hybrid, older Sony camera. It does me just fine as of right now. The only problem that I have is that it does not have an articulating screen, like where it comes up where I can see myself. It only is a tilt screen in the back. So it's a struggle. And then the app that connects to it doesn't work anymore on my phone. Yeah, pretty good camera other than that. Sometimes it's not good to look at yourself while you're recording anyway. Just do it. Just turn the camera on and just do it. That's my mindset when it comes to this camera. I got it set up on a K&F Concepts tripod. I love those from Amazon. I will have the link in the description below. Yeah, this is my setup right here. I'm recording off my Pocket 3 right now with the wireless mic 2. And I'm about to hook up my DJI wireless mic Gen 1. Give me a presentation now. Give me a presentation, dog. Please don't be dead, dog. But this is it right here. This is the transmitter. They changed that in the Generation 2s. The Generation 2s just came out like this year, but you power it on like that. It's not dead. Good. Normally I try to keep all this on a charger, but sometimes I don't because the case charges too. This is the Gen 1 mic. Power that on right there. And when it comes on, it normally try to record internally. I don't use that, so I press the record button again on the side, turn that off. And then for the transmitter, we have to plug in the aux into the out. And then we plug that into our camera. And then I slide the transmitter in the hot shoe on the top. If you don't know what a hot shoe is, it's this little slot on top of the camera. Just like that. Always make sure that your mic is on and your transmitter is on and that this is plugged in both. Because if you don't, you won't have any audio. I have been there one too many times, recorded long, extensive videos. I'm talking about good videos too. I'm talking about I'm talking, I'm running my mouth. I'm talking about like I'm running it down. Get to the camera, transmitter off. Mad ain't the word, but that's when the internal recording comes in handy, which I never use, but I need to start. But sometimes this will be off. Like it'll die sometimes, but it take a while for this to die. I can actually record like a full day with this one mic. And let me put this mic on the cable so I don't lose it. And if I need to grab it to do a close-up audio, I can just take it off and put it close to whatever I'm gonna be recording so people can hear it better. And this one, I gotta figure out where in the world I'm gonna put this. That ain't gonna work. Oh, I got my headband on. Oh yeah, we Gucci, let's roll. And like I was saying, the screen does not articulate on this camera, so I have to try to view the screen from any angle that I possibly can. This is the angle that I'm working with. This is all I can get out of it. It folds in and then it does that. That's all I can get to make sure I got everything in view that I need. And then we're gonna do our test shot. So for my first angle, as y'all already know, the legendary angle, if you watch my Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts. I start with my camera on this back wall right here. And it's fired right there to my bed. This way, when I'm recording the shot, the lighting is coming from over here. Sometimes it's not good. Like today with these lighter pans, it's not a good day to be in the direct sunlight because it's throwing my camera off. But I'll make my bed up. I wish I had a window on this side over here so I could have lighting coming from both ways. But I'll start at this angle, or most of the time I'll vacuum the bed off as well because your skin sheds. So you want to vacuum your bed off. And or changing your sheets every week. I know some people change their sheets every night. I don't have that many sets of sheets. I don't know about y'all. I don't got that many sets of sheets. This angle isn't bad, but as you can see, I'm kind of dark. So the light always should be facing me most of the time. Because from over there, I'm against the light. So it made me look like a shadow. We don't like that. So angles is very important when you're recording, and your lighting is very important as well. Try to always focus on that. But we're gonna leave the camera right there. Normally I'll just like open the blinds, and then we'll just start. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna turn the brightness down just a little bit because that was a little blown out on my pants. But I really can't get past that, so I'm gonna have to work through that, and I guess just try to edit as best I can. So now we're gonna move the camera right here so I can get a shot of me earning the duvet. I might get my C-stand too to get like a top-down view of me doing the bed. I think that'd be dope. Let me go get my C-stand. All right, so we got our C-stand. If you don't know what a C-stand is, it's mainly made for like lighting and stuff like that. I use it for my camera, and I do it to do top-down. Like tripods won't go that well. They can go high and extend out, but you need to put a sandbag. Like the camera more than likely gonna fall over. But we're gonna get this angle over here with the camera. Rotate it towards the bed. We actually need to get lower. Okay. All right, got that going now. All right, we're gonna check our content. Why ain't tell me the back of my head was flat like that? Okay. Let's see what this looks like. It's always good to have excess content because you may not like a certain shot if you only got like 1 second of that. Okay, I like that. We can work with that. Now let's get us a top-down shot. But the C-stand work like this. You unlock it, angle it out like you want it angled out. I'm probably gonna get it far across the bed as I can because try to get a 90-degree angle. Really, I say 95 degree because the camera gonna weigh it down and it's gonna pull it. So we try to get 95. So any slack that it have to lean over with the camera weight, we good. But we'll turn this to the bed like this. Rotate that out. And then we put our camera on there. Really back it up. You see how it's wanting to tilt forward? To fix that, you just rotate the leg. I like to get that big leg and put that big leg forward. And then we just lock that back. And I'm gonna tilt my screen out so I can see it from over here. And we're gonna lift it up like this. I think that's high enough. I bet. I see what kind of time you on, Brody. You hating. Oh yeah, that's perfect. One monkey can't stop no show. All right. All right. It's hot in here, bro. I'm doing too much moving. All right, we got them angles. And that's it for that. Are you serious, bro? See what I'm talking about? Guess we gotta redo that then. This pillow look a little crazy. So now I'm over here in this corner. So I'm cleaning off my nightstand. I'm using the Myers cleaning spray. I'm gonna spray this table down, and I got my paper towels right here. We're gonna wipe it down, and I got my camera set up right here. All right, so now we're in the bathroom. but I did hit the flows with my Dyson. This is a household essential, dog. Talk about fun to use. Dyson. I love this. I don't leave it plugged up on a charger while I'm gone or when I'm asleep because I have trauma from having a house fire from batteries of one of these. And if you know me, you know, yeah, this house was like burned about 2 years ago. Like this room right here, black, everything burned, like literally. But yeah, this is still my favorite. This is a bigger one than I had before. But yeah, this is one of my cleaning essentials. That Myers cleaning spray that y'all see me use, definitely one of my go-tos. Because it don't have those harsh chemicals. Because when I use stuff that's real harsh, it make my nose run. It might just be me, but really anything that's strongly scented makes my nose run and like give me a headache. I try to use more natural house cleaning supplies, if you know what I mean. Some stuff I don't cut corners on, like cleaning my floors. I use some kind of harsh stuff like this right here. Well, this is not super harsh, but it's harsh enough. But I need my floors clean. I need my floors clean, my shower, and my kitchen. Them chemicals gonna be in the kitchen. Some stuff you can get that's not bad that you can use in the kitchen, like peroxide and stuff like that, instead of using bleach. But I like to know for a fact. I don't even know if it's for a fact or not. Just smelling bad chemicals, I guess, make me think that it's clean. The bathroom, my favorites are OxyClean. This one ain't as harsh as the spray. The spray, that mug is strong. And then these right here for the toilet. Put these inside the back. I got this toilet bowl cleaner right here. And then hang these on the toilet bowl itself. And then focus on me. What's going on? Y'all looking all around trying to be nosy. Ain't nothing in here for you to see. It's just the bathroom. A little cleaner. I'm sure y'all have seen this on TikTok. That's one of my favorites for sure. My big dog. This right here. This right here. Shower. Can't stand a chance. If you want to clean your floors real good, can't stand a chance. Don't pull my hair though, bro. We fall out. Won't do that. But yeah, I have a oak cedar mop as well that I use. It's one of my favorites. We're gonna go in depth into this later. This is to be continued. This right here is another one of my favorites. It has 3 different attachments. Got the extendo, and we're gonna get in there and we're just gonna hit it like this. But first, we're gonna wet the shower floor up. We're using OxyClean. Wet the shower floor up. Nothing crazy. And then we take our brush. Just like that. All right, and something that I use is an air purifier. It don't have to be this specific one, but this is what I use. As you can see, it's a lot in the air right now. It's because humidifiers that I be running, it tricks this Dyson machine into thinking it's a lot of particles in the air. But this cleans the air and keeps it almost debris free. It's one of my favorites as well.